Hello, my friends. Welcome back to V Again Books. I'm Kathleen, and today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and functional triple envelope pocket flip out for your junk journal. It's a fun project using 3 different sizes of envelopes, a couple of pieces of designer paper, just scraps really, and a large die cut image for a peekaboo pocket on the back. So it's perfect for storing little treasures, notes, and photos. Flip outs are a great way to add an interactive element to your journal. And since we're making the whimsical journal, I wanted to put a couple of those in here. So you remember the exploding star flip out that we made, the hidden journaling that we made. And I've since kind of gone back and decorated pretty much the whole journal. The only thing we have left to do is this pocket for the very back. It's pretty easy. Let's put the journal aside and we'll take our pockets. And so you've seen me do a peekaboo flip envelope before. So this is going to go on the one page with this pinning it down. And then, so this is going to be the flip out on this page. So we're going to layer the envelopes. We're going to layer this one on top of this one. And then this one on top of this one. This is going to go down a little, and then this is going to come up here. And so it's all going to flip out this way, and then this way, and then this way. So by putting the paper on top here, then I'm covering up those seams. Okay, so why don't we just glue the envelopes down first? Let's do that. And you want to move it out just a little bit so that you get a good flip. Okay, so let's glue this flap down. And then we'll glue this over it. And I don't want whatever I'm putting in, I'm not using this as the pocket so much because I don't want it to catch on all of these things. So what I want to do, glue this down so that it picks up the actual envelope, if you know what I mean. So we'll put glue all over here. And then I'll put a little glue just along here, just so that those edges catch for sure. So now we can slide something in that envelope and the whole thing comes out, right? Okay. So now we need to decide whether you want it to be a left-hand pocket or a right-hand pocket. You can glue it either way. So this can, in the same way, pick up the whole envelope and be a pocket from this side. Or if you want, you can just glue this down and have it slide in from this side. But I am going to do the left-hand pocket, but I need to put this on first. So I want it to come up a little because I like it to be off-centered, and I'm going to have it even just sticking out a little bit. And of course, you want to make sure that you have, you know, the same gap so that it's all straight. And you know, sometimes envelopes are not always straight. I didn't ever realize that until I started doing junk journals. Whoops, that's Too far, probably. Okay, let's make sure this will flip out. Yep. Let's rub off any extra glue there. Okay, so this is how it looks. You've got the flap there, that one goes there, and then this one goes there, right? Okay, so now let's glue this piece down on this side. Okay, and there's that tuck now. Okay, that's pretty simple, right? Yeah, it is. Let me show you now how it goes into the book. So we've got it. Now this is a pretty chunky book now. So, and this is the last piece. I'm hoping that it will be okay. Let's do this side. I do want it to poke out just a little for two reasons. I don't want it to interfere here with the spine because it's so chunky now. I'm going to create, if I put this kind of right centered in the middle, then I can have a little bit of a tab on this side and it'll be okay. I'm going to glue it right here. I want it to be able to open though as a flip, so I want to be careful not to get glue that oozes underneath here. So we'll glue that down. Okay, that's good. It's kind of on the very, very edge of the cover, but I think it'll be okay. And now let's finish the peekaboo by putting the butterfly on. So we'll glue there and there and put it about right there. And then just lift this up. And glue that down. All right, let's make sure that's, yep, that side's fine. Okay, so there's that. I love peekaboo pockets. Let's see what I've got for ephemera for here. Here's one of my vintage computer punch cards, and that could slide in there. Pretty slick. Yeah, I like that. I don't know, maybe I'll do something to that, decorate it further. But that's our flip out assembled, okay? It's time to add some finishing touches. So you can decorate the front of each envelope with stamps or washi tape or stickers or whatever you want. I'm just going to use some washi tape today and add a bit of color and texture and leave most of the space open for journaling. So that's my plan, but I do need a little bit of, because this is the end and that looks just too plain. So what I'm going to do is start with some washi tape. I think let's do this because this matches the polka dots here, and yeah, I think that we'll put some of this down. Okay, that's kind of cute. Good. Let me put these flowers on. I also, because this is so chunky, but it's mostly chunky on the bottom. So I have room up here at the top to add a few more details that are a little more bulky. And so let's put this together. I could also put it here and have it hang out the top. I kind of like that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Yeah, I like that. Let's put something here at the bottom. Yeah, I think we're going to do it across the bottom. This is kind of interesting washi tape. Okay, you can decorate yours differently, you know. Even you could add a small tag or a label or something else that you think might be fun or interactive. I love how it turned out. You get 3 pockets in one, plus this 4th pocket here on the back of the page. It's such a fun and practical addition to any junk journal. And you can customize it with different envelopes and papers and embellishments that suit your style. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you try this project, be sure to share your creations with me on social media. I always want to come by and cheer you on. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. But until next time, happy crafting and stay creative. I'll see you again with the flip through.